Let's make some homemade cough drops with some ginger, jaggery, turmeric, black salt, black pepper, and desi ghee. Okay, first I'm going to take half a cup of ginger and take the skin off. And then wash it. Cut it into smaller pieces. Grind it. Grind it really well. Okay. Now go ahead and put some desi ghee, some butter, clarified butter, 2 teaspoons into a pan and put the ground ginger into it and stir fry it, saute it for 5 to 6 minutes. And then you can add the jaggery, half a cup, that is 300 gram, and let the jaggery melt. Mix it in between, close the lid for a few minutes, open it up again, make sure it doesn't burn, and keep mixing until the jaggery melts well. Okay. Now you can add turmeric 1 teaspoon, black salt half a teaspoon, and then black pepper half a teaspoon, and mix it well once again. And it will start thickening up. Keep mixing, making sure there are no lumps at all. Then drop it into the water just to check the consistency. See, you can make the cough drops now. The consistency is perfect. Okay. Now go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of ghee, clarified butter one more time. Okay, it's ready. Go ahead and pour it in a steel plate so it can cool faster. Okay, it's nice and dry, ready to make the ginger candy. Apply some desi ghee in your hand. Make small candy size balls on your palm. And there you go. The ginger candy is ready. Go ahead and make balls, all of them. And you can put it in an airtight container. It will stay fresh for a few weeks. This is amazing cough drop.